makeup actually looks really nice today. I look very much like sweet, cute girl next door. Very girl next door vibes today in today's makeup. Very girl next door vibes. I was not going for this specifically, but very cute. Hey y'all, it's your girl Nida and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I am going to be talking about something that you guys seem to like when I talk about. We're talking about a bronzer, a new bronzer. So today I'm going to be talking about the Coloured Raine bronzer in the shade Cinnabay. Now the bronzer is just released, I believe, week before last week or like 2 weeks ago. Oh, yeah, 2 weeks ago. I got one immediately, and I also got some of their new brushes that came out, I believe, in February. I got four brushes in total, 3 eye brushes and one of the face brushes. This is the angled blush brush, but I believe they're also selling this with the bronzers as a package deal. So the bronzer itself is $16, and I believe the two together as the package is like 20 something dollars. I bought the brushes separately because I just really wanted them. They're so beautiful. This like nude to brown ombre. Oh, they're super soft. I was like, oh, I gotta get my hands on those. So this bronzer comes in 6 shades. Like I said, I got the shade Cinnabay. It retails for $16 on their website. Coloured Raine has very fast shipping, and they also use Afterpay, which is what I use to get all these things. Afterpay is a true delight. I am so happy for Afterpay. Like, y'all don't even understand. So open this up. Up here is the packaging. It is a white compact with the name and a similar color on the back. It is actually, this is such cute packaging. Like, look at that. Look at that. I think that's definitely going to fit me. So as you see, I already have my foundation on because your girl is feeling it. I've gotten a boost of motivation, and I'm feeling it and I'm rolling with it. So I was already in the middle of filming another video, so I was like, let's get this 2-for-1 special. I have only just put on my foundation, done my concealer and under eye powder. As per usual, I used my Urban Decay Stay Naked Correcting Concealer in the shade 70 NY. I also, to set that, used my Anastasia Beverly Hills Banana Powder. And to set my whole face, I used my Morphe Filter Effect powder in the pressed powder in the shade Filter 10. We have finally hit pan, ladies. We've hit pan. You see the little metal? You see that? That's pan. That's pan. It feels good to finally hit pan on products. I'm not gonna lie. I buy so many products, especially to review on my channel. So it's just felt really good to see like I've hit pan. I also hit pan on my Colourpop powder, but I've been primarily using this Morphe one. Like, I loved it when I first got it. I don't even know why I had put it aside and didn't use it for a couple months, but this has been my go-to powder and I love it. I absolutely love how it looks on the skin. Just looks great. So my face is set. For foundation, I am using a mix. I mixed the new Morphe Filter Effect Soft Focus Foundation in the shade Filter 26 with my Rare Beauty Foundation in the shade 460W. So I just mixed these two together, and I also get pretty much my perfect shade by mixing these two. And if you saw my Morphe review, then you know I have to mix Filter 26 and 27 to get my perfect shade. I'll leave an eye above as well as an eye above for the Rare Beauty Foundation. You guys should know how I feel about the Rare Beauty Foundation. You guys should know. Y'all should know. But if you don't know, if you're new and you don't know, click the eye above and you'll find out. So let's move on to this bronzer. This bronzer, like I said, retails for $16. It is a pressed bronzer and it has a net weight of 8.5 grams. So yeah, is that all you got in here? It's 8.5 grams? Yes, it's 8.5 grams. So I was very excited about this bronzer. I like Coloured Raine as a brand. I have a few Coloured Raine items. I have a couple Coloured Raine brushes. I think 1 or 2 lipsticks. I've been following Coloured Raine for a very long time, probably since the beginning of the brand's inception on Instagram. That's how long I've been following them. I have some other eyeshadow palettes too. So it's the brand is really nice, and it's so nice to see their growth to where they've expanded to face products. They also have a highlighter. I have not tried the highlighter just as yet. I've been thinking about it, but for me, highlighters are kind of like, I never do bop or flop reviews on them, really, because I so infrequently buy them because I have a lot and I see the ones that I have as staples. So, but bronzers, I've been really loving delving into the world of bronzers and finding new bronzers, because as I told you guys, I needed a replacement for my Colourpop bronzer because they discontinued that shade and I needed something to carry on the torch whenever that one went. And y'all, I have found quite a few bronzers. As you guys know, my favorite one is two of my favorite bronzers right now are the Makeup Revolution bronzer. I'll leave an eye above for that review, as well as the Soul Body Face and Body Bronzing Balm. Two of my staples. I typically use them together, but depending upon how I'm feeling, I'll use the Makeup Revolution one on its own, but you guys know. And also, thank you for all the love you guys have shown me on that Soul Body video. Greatly appreciate it. I'll leave an eye above for anybody new and would like to check it out. Whew, that was a mouthful. Now on to this bronzer. So, like I said, the face is set. We're done. The face is set. So I'm just going to go in with my brush and I'm going to just tap that in there. Not a ton of fallout, still a little bit, but that's to be expected, to be honest. And I'm going to zoom you guys in a little bit and then I'm going to get to bronzing. So how I came about to Cinnabe being the shade for me was I just looked online on the website, and when I saw the model, I was like, that's pretty close to me. That's actually the closest. Okay. Oh, that's a very nice shade. It's actually very warm, which is fine. It's a bronzer. It's supposed to warm up your face. But I like how subtle and warm this is. I like how smooth this is. I love this brush, by the way, too. This brush is nice. Ooh, look at me going ham and doing too much. Usually you see when I do something like this and I go a little too ham and I do a little too much, I do all of my blending up here and none of it down here. I like to do it with my sponge. And I just like to go over this with my sponge and just get rid of that harsh line. That's actually really nice. That's a really nice bronzer. I like that. I like how smooth this feels. It just feels like you're not putting much of anything on your face. I like that, which on one hand can be a bad thing because it does cause you sometimes to go a little heavy-handed. But I also like that obviously this is something that a little bit goes a long way, which is great because that's going to save you money. You don't have to keep running through bronzers. So for me, I'm not even really swirling this around in the pan really hard. I'm kind of just giving it like a little light press. And look how much that picks up. I like that. I like that shade a lot. I was a little afraid that this was going to be something that was going to, the shade was going to be a little like wonky in terms of like how red it was going to be, but it's actually not bad at all. I actually like that a lot. That's really nice. I'll grab a clean brush. This is just a BH Cosmetics V17 brush. I'm just gonna grab this, take a little bit towards like the edge of that, like that, and I'm gonna use that to do my nose. That's pigmented and you really don't need a lot. You don't need a lot, and I like that. I like that a lot. It's very blendable because I'm even able to blend this out with the same brush, which normally I wouldn't be able to. My other bronzers. Normally what I would use is my Morphe. So I kind of switch off between these two depending upon what I want to do. I've switched between this BH Cosmetics and my tried and true Morphe 570 M572. I like to switch between these two. When I'm doing my bronzing balm, I like to go in with this afterwards to put my like bronzer on top to essentially set it, and then I also like to use it when I'm using my Makeup Revolution bronzer. When I'm going for a more softer approach without my bronzing balm, I always use this brush. I like to use this a lot because it's just, I like the shape. I like that I'm able to blend with it And oh yeah, this is definitely gonna be the go-to brush for when I use this bronzer like this. My powder products are on. I'm going to take my 4th Ray Beauty Do It Hyaluronic Setting Mist. And I'm gonna just bring my face down. So I'm gonna finish up my face off camera and I will be back. All right, so to wrap this up, I absolutely love this bronzer. I love this bronzer. A little rundown of my face right now. So for lashes, also, you see this outfit, you see this ponytail, you see it in another video, mind your business. Your girl's multitasking over here, damn it. So let's see. For lashes, I am wearing the Colourpop Oh Dear lashes. I'm wearing the Colourpop X Disney Bambi lashes in the style Oh Dear. These are a really cute pair of lashes. I like them a lot. They're not super dramatic. They are very much like give you like that kind of doe eye kind of appearance, and I love that. I love that little like doe eye baby doll kind of look. I'll leave a link to these down below. For lips, I have on, to line my lips, the Beauty Creations X Marullo Twins lip liner. This is the, I think this is from the Brie set. I can't remember. This is either from the Brianna set or the Britney set. I can't remember. On top, I have on the Maybelline Lifter Gloss in the shade 02 Ice. And on top of that, I have on the Colourpop So Juicy Plumping Gloss in the shade Stuntin'. It's kind of a really monochromatic lip look because it's like, because these two are like a pink kind of color, and then this lip liner is like this really muted brown. So it actually ended up giving my lips an all over kind of muted color, which, I mean, I like it. It works. It's still essentially a glossy brown lip because you guys know I love me a glossy brown lip. So yeah, bronzer, love it. I absolutely love this bronzer so much. It's definitely a great shade for me. I loved using it on my nose. I feel like it really did provide me a pretty good nose contour. It's not like I can build a new nose from scratch. I'm not that skilled yet, but hey, we're looking very much less flat and very much we have a nose. Yeah, we're looking less like, oh, we just got this little like flat thing and a little boop on the end, and looking very much like, hey, that light is catching on the highlighter, nose bridge. It's yeah, I like it. It's not giving me nose job, but it's very much we've helped ourselves out a little bit here, and I like that. I like that a lot. So yeah, if you guys, I will leave a link to all the products I use on my face today, as well as a link to the bronzer for you guys to check it out. It's probably, this is a really good shade range bronzer too. I'm gonna leave a picture here of essentially what all the shades look like. The shade range is really, really nice. And this is kind of the shade range you'd hope for in a bronzer. A little bit of something for everybody. Everybody has a place where they fit in your range for your product. And that's the best thing you can do as a brand, is to make sure you're just making sure you're covering all your bases. And I just really love that this brand did that. So yeah, for me, this is up there with the Makeup Revolution bronzer. Honestly, it's up there for them with that. It blends out very nicely and very easily. You don't need a lot, so be careful because it's very easy to go ham, as you saw me do earlier. But I really love it. I think this is just a complete bop, like straight bop, complete fire. I love this. This is such a good bronzer. The product felt smooth and buttery. There wasn't a lot of fallout. The brush is great, and I feel like it would work with any brush. I just wanted to get those brushes because I thought they were so pretty. Like, I just couldn't help myself. I wanted the brushes because I thought they were so pretty. It is a complete bop for me. So yeah, that is it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Remember, your girl's uploading every Wednesday and Saturday. Wednesday at 7 p. EST and Saturday at 3:30 p. EST. Make sure to click the bell down below so that way you can always be notified whenever I upload. In the description box will be links to all of my social medias. Make sure to follow me on Instagram, Twitter, as well as the Facebook page for this channel. Also will be links to all the products used in today's video. And yeah, I'll see you on my next one. Bye.